Wielton is at the moment one of the largest and fastest developing semi-trailer, trailer and truck body producers. Since 2005, the company has kept successfully implementing robotization processes and automation of production systems. The trailer and semi-trailer productive process is supported by 45 industrial robots. The robots are doing welding, painting and shot blasting work. One robot is doing a 3-person job, creating high savings in production and time. One of the main advantages of the industrial automation are accuracy and repetitiveness of the activities and element production. This creates an increase of the technological process productivity, which can be conducted without any pauses. All of those factors have an influence on the improvement of the offered product quality and reduce waiting time for the product. It also increases the customization and adjustment possibilities to the client's individual needs. The successful industrial automation process conducted in Wielton focuses mainly on robotic welding technology. For this purpose, the company is making use of the Folk welding brand, which is a forerunner of robot usage technology and one of the leaders on the European market in the robotic welding area. Wielton is equipped with 19 welding robots, which include one hybrid welding robot. The usage of industrial robots working on production lines with monotonous, repetitive and simple activities and tasks creates space for a qualified staff. It also improves work safety and comfort. The robots take on responsibilities connected with conducting tasks in dangerous conditions. A change in competence models and the demands for new skills lead to professional development of the employees. Appropriate qualifications and welding certificates can be acquired by young people who study vocational training classes in Wielton. Students have the opportunity to train with a specialized welding robot given by Wielton thanks to the cooperation with the Folk Welding Company. This way, the acquired practical skills are essential for future welders.